Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on this $1,000 mask that I tried from D'OR24K Prestige. So if you guys want to hear my review on this, then keep watching. Let me start off this video by saying I was sent this mask from D'OR24K Prestige. I did not pay $1,000 for this mask. Let's just, get that out before I even get into the review. I was not aware that this mask was $1,000. Basically, I am on this website called Brand Backer, and you can apply to try out products. I wasn't supposed to be getting this mask. They had ran out of the product I was supposed to be reviewing when I got accepted into the campaign, and I got this mask. Again, didn't know it was $1,000. If you don't believe that it's $1,000, I will put a screenshot right here of how much it really is, and I will leave links down below for the products. All of their products are ridiculously priced. I remember after I was doing my blog post and review for this website, when I was on their website, like getting the links and whatever, that I've been on their website before looking at their ridiculously expensive products. So just getting that out in the air, now it's time to review the product. So this is the box that the mask came in. I should have known it was going to be pricey when I got it. And by pricey, I was thinking like GLAM glow prices, like 70 bucks. Like, okay. Yes, that's expensive, but more people are gonna be willing to spend $70 over $1,000. So this is the Collagen Renewal mask. So you open it up and bam, that's what it looks like. I would expect it to like twirl lights, singing like a music box, but no. So this right here is the mask, and then you also get this little guy, and it's just like a little applicator. It's very nice, like acrylic, fancy Nancy plastic. And then you close the box. It came with authenticity papers, like when you get a fancy Nancy bag. Should have known. But on the back here, it's how to use it, but none of this is in English. The English is on the bottom. This mask is FDA compliant, paraben free, dermatologically tested. The packaging is recyclable, and it is cruelty free, so it has like all the important things out of the way. Okay, so I'm just gonna like read off some tidbits off the back of this just to make my life easier. So this mask is good to help replenish your skin on a cellular level by nourishing the deep tissues. It's infused with gold and collagen to improve tissue elasticity. This mask helps replenish his skin with a boost of vitamins, minerals, vital ingredients to help repair signs of aging. Apparently, the 24 karat gold, I don't even own 24 karat gold jewelry. I don't even own gold jewelry, okay? But I own a mask with 24 karat gold in it. Where's Jeffree Star? He needs to review this stuff. But anyway, the 24 karat gold collagens and elastin work with antioxidants, natural soy proteins, fruit acids, South Sea pearl exfoliants, ginkgo biloba. No idea what that is. Aloe and green tea to create an effective emollient wrinkle reducing mask. And the mask helps seal in moisture while it reduces pore size, wrinkles, and fine lines. Basically, you use this mask for once a week for 10 minutes, and then you rinse it off with warm water, pat dry, and moisturizer. Super simple, really easy. I really liked the application. It went on really nicely. The mask smells, kind of smells like cucumber to me. This is what the mask smells like. This is what it smells like, guys. Smell it. This is what it looks like if you guys care. It's just like a nice, pretty minty green color. And I did use this. I didn't really like it because I don't know, it just didn't go on nicely. But once I got it to go on nicely with my fingers, it It felt nice on the skin. It didn't harden like most masks do. It kind of just stayed the same consistency. It did dry up a little bit, but not a whole lot. I did, however, see pretty much immediate results. I saw my pores get smaller. I do have like really bad pores right here. Very like small area, but they're bad enough to where I hate them. And my skin felt really, really nice, like really soft, like baby bottom smooth. However, I didn't see anything about fine lines because I'm 24 years old and I don't have fine lines yet, so I can't vouch for that. But on their Yelp, they did like talk about how some people did say how they did notice differences with their fine lines and whatever, but I didn't, because again, I'm 24. I don't really have like fine lines or wrinkles. So my final thoughts on this: don't get it. Just don't. If you're like me and don't have $1,000 to blow on a mask, it's stupid. On a 1.7 fluid ounce mask, I might add, it's a waste of money. Put your $1,000 into something better. Get something that'll last. Spending $1,000 on something like this that's not gonna last is a waste of money. Just don't do it. But if you have the $1,000 to spend, go do it. I can't tell you what to do with your money. It's your money. You do what you want, but I don't recommend this. Yes, I saw results, but Sephora, Ulta, CVS, Walmart, Target, they have better options, cheaper options, more practical options. This was fun to try. I'm very thankful that the brand sent it to me, but those are my thoughts on this. It is just $1,000. It's just, when I saw the price, I almost had a heart attack. I mean, come on. $1,000. It's a no for me. I'm sorry. And that is it for this review. Let me know in the comments down below. Would you try this mask? Have you tried this mask or anything from this brand? Let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. I know it's crazy. I want to hear what you guys have to say. So let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more reviews. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below, so you guys know when there's new videos coming out or just whatever is going on in my life. I don't know. I tweet a lot, so follow me on Twitter. It's linked down below. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!